Hi children, good morning all. Welcome back to our class. Today we are going to study a new chapter, that is chapter 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. That's our chapter name. It's a very interesting chapter. Here see children, this is full of about multiple set of factors. So let's go to first question, that is here, write the multiples of 3. Write the multiples of 3. In this question, you just write the multiplication table of 3. Okay, that's the answer. That is multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 equal, we write 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30 and so on. Okay, this is the answer. Multiples of 3 is, you just write the multiples of that 3 and put 3 dots only. 3 dots need for this, etc. That process is go on. That's okay, understood. Now our second question is, write the multiples of 8. In this section, what we have to do? You just write the multiples of 8. That is 1 8s are 8, and 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. Understood? You just write the multiplication table, that is the multiples of this each number. Okay, understood? Now our third question is, write the first 5 multiples of 13. We have to find the first 5 multiples of 13. Only for 5 multiples we need. Okay, so we just first write multiples of 13. Okay, so 1 13s are 30. We know. Then 13 into 2, that is what? 26. Then 13 into 3. If you don't know, then you just multiply here. 13 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 1 3s are 3. That is what we get. That is 39. Then 13 into 4. That is 3 4s are 12. And 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. That is we get 52. And then 1 2 3 4. Then 13 into 5. That is 5 3s are 15. Here carry over 1. 1 5s are 5. And 5 plus 1 is 6. So 13 into 5 is 65. If you study that multiplication up, you should study the multiplication up to 20. Then only you can get the answer very quickly. Okay. So otherwise you have to multiply in the working column. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 5 multiples of 13 is here. And the fourth question is, write the first 3 multiples of 28. Write the first 3 multiples of 28. So we need the first 3 multiples, that is multiples of, first we write multiples of 28 equal, that is we need, that is 28 into 1, 28 into 2 and 28 into 3. 28 into 1 is, we know that 28, and 28 into 2, that is double, twice, that is what is that? 56. Then 28 into 3. That is 8 3s are 24. Carry over 2. 3 2s are 5. Sorry, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2. That is 8. Okay. So we get the answer as 84. So here we get the multiples of 28 is 28, 56, 84. That is, we need only first 3 multiples. So we have to find 1, 2, 3 multiples. Here in this case we need 5 multiples. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiples. Okay, understood? So children, here fifth question is write the first 5 multiples of 20. You have to write the first 5. 20 into 1, 20 into 2, 20 into 3, 20 into 4, 20 into 5. You just write you just find out the first 5 multiples. Here write the multiples of 9. You just write the multiples of 9 only. 9, that is 1 9, 2 9, 3 9, 4 9. The answer. Okay. Here write the first 3 multiples of 15. That is 15 into 1, 15 into 2, 15 into 3. Okay. So these 3 questions you have to do self. So that's why it's a homework. Okay. So children, next we are going to study about common multiples. Common multiples. That is common multiples means that is common. In multiples, the multiples of different types of number, which are the numbers are common, that numbers are common multiples. Okay. Here our first question, write the first 3 common multiples of 3 and 4. 3 and 4. The first 3 common multiples of 3 and 4. So first we have to find the multiples of 3, then multiples of 4. Okay. So first we write the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 is what? That is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, then 18, 21, 24, 27, then 30, and so on. Okay, and so on. That is 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, like that. We just write numbers like this. Okay. Now multiples of 4. Next we have to find the multiples of 4 like this. Then 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36, 10 4s are 40. This much we know. So we have to just stop here and so on. And if we need 3 common multiples. From these 2 multiples, we get 3 common. We have to find 3 common multiples. Okay, so here any numbers are common in the multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. Which are the numbers are common? First we have to find. And you just draw a circle sign to represent that number. Okay, here 3 no, 6, 9 no, 12. 12 here and 12 here also. We just draw a circle sign to represent that common multiple. Okay. Then here 15 is not here, 18 is not here, 21 is not here, then 24. 24 is here and here also. Then 27 is not here, then 30. Okay. Only we get 2 numbers, 2 common numbers. So we continue this multiples. So then again the number after 30, then 11 3s are 33. You just continue 33, 36, 39, like that, so on. Then here 33 is not here, 36 is here, 36 here, 36 here. So now we get 3 common multiples, that is 12, 24 and 36. Our question is first 3 common multiples of 3 and 4, isn't it? So common multiples. So next step we write common multiples. Common multiples is 12, comma, 24, comma, 36. Understood? Like it, we can do the next one. Our next question is, write the first 5 common multiples of 5 and 10. So children, here first we have to write the multiples of 5 and 10. That is multiples of 5 equal, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, then 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and so on. Okay. Then next is multiples of 10. 10, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and so on. Okay. Then next we need common multiple. Common multiple. How to find? We just draw a circle from these common numbers. Okay. That is here 5. No 5s. Here 10. So 10. 10. Okay. Then here 50. Not here. Then 20. 20 here. 20 here. 20 by 5 is not here. Then 30. 30 here. 30 here. Then 35 is not here. Then again 40 here. 40 here also. 45 in both sides. There is no 45. And here 50. Here also 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number. First 5 common multiples we get. So we write, that is the number as 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay. Understood how to find the common multiples. Next, the third question is, write the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. So, first we have to write that the multiples of this 6. That is multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 is what? 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are like that. That is 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30. Like that you can continue this. Okay. And so on. Okay. Then multiples of 8. Then next we have to write multiples of 8. That is 1 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. Then next we need common multiple. First we write the multiples of this 6 and 8. Okay. Then next we need common multiples. That is, we put a circle sign. Okay. So for that common numbers we just draw a circle sign. Okay. That is here 6 is not here. Then 12 is not here. 18 is not here. 24 here. 24. Then 30 is not here. 30. Then 36 is not here. 42 is not here. 48 here. 48, 48. Then how many? 3 numbers we need. 54 is not here. Then 64 not here. This top was 60. Then 66. Then 72 and so on. The 11 6 are 66. 12 6 are 72. Okay, like that and so on. So here we get 72. Here also we get 72. If we didn't get the number, that is, we just stop the 10 number. Then if we didn't get the common multiples, then you just continue the 11's multiple. 11 6 are, 12 6 are, 13 6 are, 14 6 are. You just continue that. When you get, if you get that third multiples, then at that time only you just stop it. Okay, understood? Now the common multiples are 24, then 48, then 7. So children, we get the answer as 24, 48 and 72. So I will give the homework. Okay. So children, today's topic, that is multiples and the common multiples, you have to study well and write 2 times each problem, and very neatly in your notebook you just write and study today itself, and thank you.